This video will show you how to print a product. First, we open the testing picture. We open the position here. We set from the layout. We set the position X in 30, Y in 20. You can see this point will be X 30, Y 20. Before printing, we must move the train back again. And then we print. Y setting in 0, color setting in 1, and then print. The firmware is ready. This point is X 30, Y 20. This point. It's the same we set from here. This point. And now we print this photo on this phone case, which we already added. This photo size is the same as this phone case, and then we set the same position 30 and 20. We use this double adhesive tape to fix the phone case on the position. According to this point, the printer will start to print from this. And before printing, we press the outer button to move the train back again. It will detect the phone case height directly, automatically. And then we print. This phone case is white, so we print the colors on only 0 and color setting in 1. We print colors only. Print. It's ready. And now we show you how to print a clipboard. First, we measure the size. This acrylic board is transparent. You see? First, we use this tool to make a frame. Unlock it and set the size. Which is the same. Lock it and then import Ctrl and L. We want to print this photo. And set the same size. And here we use the right key or button to move the picture into the frame. Use this to move power clip inside. Set the frame 9 in 0. It's ready. Export it as PNG form. We set this from layout, set the same position, 30, 20. And because this is the transparent acrylic board, we must print white first and print colors. So we need to print 2 times. It's the same way we fix according to this point. And move up the trim. Press out the button to move it back. And for normal printing, we select 100Y under any color picture. Print. We must print white first. So we set the white setting in 1 and the color setting in 0. Print. You can see the white is ready. And we must move the trim back again. And print colors. it's ready.